Welcome to my channel, Garage Auto Fix. I'm John, your host and guide. Ever wondered how to change your car's engine oil at home? Though it might seem daunting to some, with the right knowledge and tools in your hand, it's surprisingly manageable. Today, we're going to break down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Let's start with the basic needs, your tools and materials. What you'll need are a wrench, oil filter wrench, funnel, oil drain pan, a fresh oil filter, and of course, some new engine oil. Always remember to check your vehicle's manual to ensure that you purchase the correct oil and filter for your specific car model. Let's get started. The process begins by warming up your car for a few minutes. This helps the oil flow out more easily. But be careful not to get the engine too hot. You don't want to burn yourself. Now it's time to get under the car. Always ensure your car is securely raised on jack stands before you start. Locate the oil drain plug. Place your oil drain pan underneath the plug, then use your wrench to loosen it. Remember to wear gloves and be careful as the oil may be hot. Once the oil is completely drained, it's time to remove the old oil filter. Using your oil filter wrench, twist the filter counterclockwise until it's loose enough to remove by hand. Be aware that it will still have oil in it, so keep that drain pan handy. Next, take your new oil filter and apply a small amount of new oil to the gasket on the top. This helps create a seal for the new filter. Now you can screw the new filter into place. With the new filter installed, you can now replace the oil drain plug. Tighten it up with your wrench, but be careful not to over-tighten. Now, you're ready to add the new oil. Pop the hood of your car and locate the oil filler cap. Remove the cap and insert your funnel. Pour in the new oil, but be careful not to overfill. Once you've added the oil, replace the filler cap, start your car, and let it run for a minute. This allows the new oil to circulate through the engine. Finally, check the oil level by pulling out the dipstick, wiping it clean, reinserting it, then pulling it out again to read the level. If it's within the safe zone, congratulations, you've successfully changed your own engine oil. So to recap, gather your tools and materials, warm up your car, drain the old oil, remove the old filter, install the new filter, replace the drain plug, add the new oil, and check the oil level. Changing your own engine oil is a great way to save money and get to know your car better. It might sound like a lot, but once you've done it a couple of times, you'll find it's a relatively quick and easy process. Plus, it's always satisfying to accomplish a task like this on your own. Remember, regular oil changes are an important part of maintaining your car's health, so don't skip out on them. Thanks for tuning in and happy oil changing.